Good morning. Today we are going to see about applications of Fourier sine and cosine transform. Fourier sine and cosine transform are used to solve initial boundary value problems associated with second order partial differential equations. Semi-infinity inter. Similarly, property 11.43b indicates that the cosine transform should be used when the boundary conditions at x is equal to 0 is Newman type. In mathematics, the Fourier sine and cosine transform are forms of the Fourier integral transform that do not use complex numbers. In the Fourier series, we should not use complex numbers that they have given here. They are the transforms of original used by Joseph Fourier and are still performed in some applications such as signal processing and statistics. The Fourier series was introduced by Joseph Fourier, but still now it is preferred in some applications, processing or statistics. Applications of modified infinite sine transform. Especially care must be taken when finding derivatives of inverse MFST. Here MFST is modified finite sine transform by using Stokes transformation, since the constant term associated with cosine series should not be included. Here they have given the derivative of inverse modified finite sine transform is found by Stokes transformation, since the constant term associated with the cosine series should not be included. The constant term associated with the cosine series should not be used here, although only free vibrations of cantilever beam was treated for demonstration. Here, free vibration of cantilever beam. Cantilever beam vibration is treated here for demonstration. MFST can be extended for two-dimensional structure with asymmetric boundaries conditions. These are the Fourier sine and cosine transform infinite formulas. These are the basic formulas we used in the problems. Thank you.